Hello everyone, welcome back to our Python tutorial intermediate course. I have a little cold today. I'm sorry because of my voice, but I'm trying to fast end it up this session. Okay, let's start by the exercise I gave you in the last session. I want you to create a div that calculate the area of triangle, circle, and rectangle. Okay, let's write it. We call it div area. We gave it 3 parameters. I call one shape, 2 A, and 3 is B. Okay, and then that's right. We want to do that's right. Okay. If shape is equal to, let's first circle. If shape equal to, let's say, rectangle. If shape equal to, let's say, triangle. Okay, we define our ifs. Now let's calculate the area. Okay, if shape is circle, the area is equal to, okay, let me write something here. A equal to int A, B equal to int B. Area is equal to A plus A. Okay, this is the area. If the area is a rectangle shape, area is equal to A rectangle, B area is equal to A B. Okay, that's right. And the end return area. Okay, it's our div. Let's check it. For example, print, let's say, oh, something is wrong. What? Oh, sorry, I forget to put 2. That's right. Okay, print area for what we say for shape is rectangle, and A is equal to 5 and 4. Sorry, 4. Okay, it's working right. Let me check triangle. Oh, look, before assignment we write something wrong. As I think, let me just copy this. Oh, we are wrong in the sentence. Okay, now let's check circle in the last. That's working right too. Okay, now we want to write our code. How to use it? Let me write it. Okay, for x in range, we call it 1000. If let me give input. Let me say that's good. A, it's good. Let me cite cell tell what the com is equal to input dot a split. That's right. Okay, input dot a split, and then let me write this like here. Shape we can write Okay, it's better if we write it like this: shape A, B. Put that split. And in the input write first the shape, second the what we say for the second the sizes. Size is good. Second the size. Okay, what we should make something right. What we print B is equal to 1. Why? Because if the shape is circle, we don't have B, and the code def won't work if we don't have B. Okay, shape that's it. Let say area is equal to area 1. Area is equal to area 1, and shape A, B. Okay, in the end print the area of the shape is equal to, okay, and then say area 1. Okay, oh, it's have some problem. Let me we put an if here. If shape equal to end break, and then in the end break, not breakpoint, and at the end print thanks for your help. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, first shape we say, let me copy it to don't be wrong. Then 5 and 4. Oh, we have a problem. What is the problem? What is the problem? I can see the problem. Let me okay, let me change it a little bit. It's equal to list. Okay, let's say shape is list 0, A is list 1, and B is list 2. Now let's run it. Okay, triangle 5, 4. I don't know what's the problem. Okay, let's find out. Print list. I call circle and 4 and 5. Oh, a split is not for shape objects. We were doing something wrong. Okay, I found out what to do. We delete these lines and this line and this line. Okay, we call it shape and then copy it. Input the size dot split. Okay, call it A and B. Now let's run it. What is the problem? Oh, we forget something. Okay, now let's run it. Oh, we again forgot it. Now let's run it. Shape, we call circle and input size 1. Okay, it want 2 input size. Let us give it circle 1 and 2. The area is 614. It's right. Okay, let's write triangle. Input size 5 and we do it wrong. Okay. What is the problem again? Oh, sorry. Let's run it. Say triangle 4 5. Sorry, I put another mistake. Triangle 5 4. What is the problem? What is the problem? I can see it. The area shape. Local variable area referred before assignment. Okay, I think let's run it first and then circle 2 4. It's right. Rectangle 2 4. It's right. Triangle 2 4. It's crashing triangle. Why? Why it's crashing? Okay, it's your exercise for next session. Find why it's crashing. It's not important. We can fix it easily. But I want you to find out. Until tomorrow, have a good night.